Hello everybody. Today I will show you how to fix no audio while recording screen in iPhone. How to fix no audio while recording screen. So the first fix is check basic settings. For this, ensure silent mode is turned off. If it is turned on, make sure it is turned off. Set volume to maximum and disable do not disturb mode. Drag down control center, and if it is enabled, simply disable it. Now second method, enable microphone in control center. Slide down the control center, long press the screen recording button. Now you'll get this option microphone, simply turn it on. Turn on microphone button. The third option is check volume during playback. When playing the recorded video, ensure the volume is not muted. Verify there are no volume controls that might be affecting the audio. So that's it. These are the three methods. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.